of those comments and generally the comments by the public, we've decided to withdraw the Gazette for now.
Isinqumo sikaGodongwana sigxekwe kakhulu iningi limsola ngokufuna ukuvikela izenzo zenkohlakalo e-Eskom. Kodwa ke uthi abaliboni iphutha ngesinqumo sabo ngoba benze okufanayo nangesikhathi Transnet ibhekene nenkinga yezemali. Uthi inhloso bengesikho ukufihla isimo sezemali se-Eskom, kodwa ke bekukunikeza lenkampani ithuba lokubhekana nenkohlakalo ilungisa amabhukayo ezemali.
The intention really is to allow Eskom to have better financial statement, but at the same time create an environment where there's transparency on corruption and irregular expenditure and all of those things.
Amaqembu aphikisayo akhwele adilika Ungqongqoshe ngalesi senzo.
We are simply showing the public a middle finger. We're telling them we can exempt, it's okay. And you cannot touch us. You can't even use parliament to touch us.
I'm disappointed as a person that's been in politics for so long that this idea came up from National Treasury.
It is a deliberate attempt to defraud, let me use the term again, to defraud financial institutions or lenders by not providing them with an accurate situation of the financial situation of the entity that wants to borrow money.
ICOSATU isamukele lesi sinqumo.
COSATU welcomes Minister of Finance Enoch Godongwana's decision to immediately withdraw the irrational, ill-considered and foolish exemptions given to Eskom on Friday, not to need to disclose in its annual reports issues of irregular, fruitless and wasteful expenditure.
uGodongwana ubegunyaze iEskom ukuthi ingadaluli ukungaphathi kahle kanye nokusshazwa kwemali embikweni wayo wezemali kuze kube unyaka u2025 nokuyinto ke esuse omkhulu umsindo emphakathini.